What's up, Real Talk fam? I miss you guys so much. Okay, so today I've got some, and they falling all over the place, some steak nachos. You saw me make them? Let's eat them. Now, if you don't want to eat these with me, this is a mess. Go get what you want to eat. Outside of that, I've got questions, fam. Not a question, questions. And I wrote them down so I wouldn't forget stuff that drive me crazy about my people. Black people. Go get your plate. Have some of these. All right, fam. Got my food. You've got your food. Now we need to pray. Would you please pray with me? Thank you. Thank you, God, for this food that we are about to receive for the nourishment of our bodies. For Christ's sake. Amen. And amen, fam. Okay, so I showed you in the beginning of this video that I made some steak nachos, fam. I got some Chihuahua cheese. Some steak. I used Doritos. Real hood. I know. I got some guacamole. Turn that down. Some sour cream. Some tomatoes. And it's going down. So good. So good. So I got some sour cream and some guac. And I also put some queso on there, that melty cheese. I put it in the microwave. You saw it. Poured it on top. That's what I did. So good. Want a little sour cream on yours? Do you like sour cream? Okay, fam. As usual, I always have a topic while I eat with you guys, so we can talk and eat food together. Makes sense, right? Yeah, right. I got my cards because I didn't want to forget anything. Because today, I want to talk about black people. Why? And this is directed to my people. My people being black people. That's true. Okay. Number one. And this really isn't for my people. Directly. However, this happens all the time. You all have seen the commercials. Why is it that when these corporations are vetting our business, we gotta be singing and dancing all in the commercials? Wait, what? Oh yeah. I like socks. Socks are cool. I wear socks. Socks is cool. I love socks. What? I love socks. What? We don't understand. These are socks. And these socks are $5.99 or $3.99 or whatever the case may be. We don't understand that. We gotta be singing and dancing in our commercials. I like steak. I like steak. Steak is good. Why? Wait, what? Stop it. Stop it, corporations. We understand without singing and dancing all in the commercial. Get your life. Two. Why is it that most black people can't swim? Wait, what? We can't swim, fam. But we love to go on cruises. Stop asking me to go on cruises with you. Son, there's a 70s crew. The Commodores, the Earth, Wind and Fire, come on, let's go. Okay. What happens if a Titanic situation should jump off? Who the hell is gonna save my black ass? I'll wait. Stop asking me to cruise with you. And you know you can't swim. And half of that shit can't swim. Okay. Let's go to number 3. This is a good one. Today, I got another Pepsi, fam. So let's crack her open. I swear, fam, water goes with everything, but Pepsi goes with everything. Cheers. Okay. We always say that racism is whack, and it is. I would love to see racism gone in my lifetime. But black people, how's that gonna happen? If we always afraid of the black people. Wait, what? Oh, Mabel, you sure we got the right address? This neighborhood looks pretty rough. That's me rolling my window up. Womp. We gotta stop being afraid of our own people if we don't want other people being afraid of us. I don't know. Makes sense to me. I'm just saying. I'm gonna drink to that too. Cheers! All right. Number 4, my people. Why is it that we will wear a label down into the ground to the point where I can't even wear that no more? These labels don't want to mess with us because that's what we do. Wear the label out and down to the ground to the point where you can't go outside. Fam, I can go outside in no baby fat today. I can go outside in no rocker-wear today. Get your beehive life. Who's going out in some Darion today? That's whack. That's what we do. That's what we do. Chewing on that. What? Take my stuff to the Goodwill. All my baby fat and my rocker-wear, my Darion to the Goodwill. Send that stuff off to Africa where these kids don't know no better and they just happy to have some clothes. Can't wear that in my neighborhood. Okay. Why is it that most black people, most, not all, have that one auntie who is invited to the barbecue, but you know she can't even fix the potato salad? So y'all got her at the store buying soda. What? Fam, we particular about our potato salad. This is the end of summer. Today is actually the first day of fall. Who brought the potato salad at the barbecues these past few months? Wait, what? I went. True story. I'm sitting in the Walmart. There was a woman, had to have been about, I don't know, between 55, 65 years old. She had a cart full of ice and soda. I'm saying to myself, ooh, that's you? You that auntie. Because where's your peach cobbler? Where's your banana pudding? Where is your 7-Up pound cake? Why are you in a line with ice and soda? Oh, wait! Fam, finally, this is so good. My chips got a little soggy because of all the cheese and stuff I put on here. But it's so good. Why is it, fam, that most black weddings can't start on time? Why? Wait, what? Why do I have to put snacks in my purse? Because I know we're gonna be chilling for a minute. Henry? Yes, sure. Would you like a chicken wing? Oh yes. Oh yes, I got chicken wings in my purse. Would you like a chicken wing? Yes, sure. I'm passing Henry chicken wings. And I gotta have some cucumbers or some celery or some carrots to fill them up. Why? Why can't the wedding start on time? I don't know. I never know. I sit here and I eat my food. So good. Messy. Y'all can see, fam. I'm using my hands. So messy. So good. If you have any questions that you'd like to ask, put them down below in the comment section. Everybody's not going to agree with me, and I'm okay with that too. Put that in the comment section as well. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Fam, I'll see you next video. I'm going to finish eating this and trying to figure out why black people. Thank you. I love you guys so much. And ain't nothing you can do about it. I'll see you next video. Bye. So good.